Welcome to this tutorial on how to auto-invest dividends using Etrade. Today, we will guide you through the steps to set up your account for automatic reinvestment of dividends. This process allows you to maximize your investment potential and take advantage of compound growth over time. First, log into your Etrade account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Portfolio section. Here, you will find an overview of your investments. Look for the option that says Dividends or Dividend Reinvestment in your account settings. Next, select the stocks or ETFs for which you want to enable dividend reinvestment. You will likely see an option to turn on dividend reinvestment or to enroll in a dividend reinvestment plan, often referred to as a DRIP. Make your selections and confirm that you want all dividends from those investments to be automatically reinvested for future growth. Finally, double-check your settings and save any changes. Etrade may send you a confirmation email regarding your selections. This automation ensures that your dividends are regularly reinvested into the same stocks or ETFs, helping them to grow without requiring further action from you. Thank you for watching and happy investing.